So everyone knows that you can't engage whatsoever at all with insane as hell narcissists. They're just, I look at them as not existing. They're compulsive liars. They don't know what they're doing, and they're total liars. So they're going to say, I never said that. Oh, can't you take a joke? And, I mean, those are like two famous phrases that insane narcissists always use. And they're, for you to react to them out of natural anger, because they're just that awful of, if you want to call them people, I just call them monsters. They're totally awful, that awful of monsters, that it's good not to try to react to them once you get, I mean, pretend a lot narcissist wants to be my acquaintance. Is he out of it? You know, he has no boundaries. He doesn't know. He has no manners. He has no idea what it is to respect another person. In my opinion, he's not a person. He's a monster. So he has no idea if, you know, I'm sitting in the parking lot with him, and he has to take a COVID shot. I had to go to the bathroom real bad. He didn't care. I had to wait like a half hour. I have to wait on him. And that's what he loves. They love to drain an innocent, a very good person like me. He loved to drain me. And that's all he did. The whole horrifying 4 months I was with him. The only time it was like a little okay was, you want some ice cream? You want some Christmas pizza? The beef hearts absolutely sucked. You do not eat beef hearts because they don't taste good. Kind of tastes a little bit like liver. Liver tastes like shit. You know, but it's good for you. But doesn't taste too good. He made great chili for his church, but it was for his church, not for me, not for us, for his church. So, yeah, he's a waste, a total liar, has no memory at all. The only thing he ever made for me was, you want some pancakes? You like my pancakes? You want them? You want some? Look how big they are. I don't think they can beat me. I mean, I don't think the batter is all the way cooked through. You want some? I can't believe how ungrateful you are that you won't eat my pancakes. You're so ungrateful. Do you know all the starving people, children in China? Do you know all the people who are starving out there? You waste food. You're so ungrateful. Evil thing, yeah. This is happening 24 hours a day. I close the door like, nobody else knows. And the only way to deal with that is to not react. So, really, when you're angry at these nutcases, that's showing love. Because you're, they know somehow deep down inside, they're just total they're completely insane. They'll say they're such awful people. They do awful things, but they pretend. Oh, I'm so good. Oh, I pray. I go to church every Sunday. Yeah. Yeah, well, if I saw you take some strange kids into the bathroom. No, that wasn't me. No, that was my twin brother. It wasn't me. I told him he's issues of needing chocolate station. We had to pray for him. That's my twin brother. To pray for his issues to exchange kids into the bathroom. Yes. God will heal his mind. These people are a total waste, and there's nothing good about them. And when you react to them, they drain your energy. And your energy is always you're focusing on their shit. And all they touch, guess what? Single thing they touch is shit. Turns to shit. Single thing they touch turns to shit. I'm trying to make it look like them. Everything. They can't do one thing right. But I don't understand why, how the world caters around these bullies. And bullies is a very, very nice word for these monsters that are totally disgusting.